Hey guys, welcome to I Sometimes Make Stuff. Today I'm going to be making a shoe rack slash like place to put our mail. We've basically got a gap in our hallway where we could have like a little side table for any post and bills and stuff that comes in, as well as somewhere to put our shoes. So I'm basically just building out of necessity really. I'm going to try and make it fit around the skirting board as well as a phone socket that's there as well. And yeah, I've got a rough idea of measurements and design, and I'm just going to sort of make it up as I go along. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and maybe I'll catch you on the next one. But yeah, let's get to it.